Hello viewers, very good morning. This is your RMR sir. I welcome you today's session part 3, 7th class topic food components, subtopic testing of carbohydrates by lab activity. Testing of carbohydrates by using simple lab activity. Generally, children are very curious and interesting to learn about the subject in easy way and a play-way method. As a part of that, I wanted to prepare for our children in order to demonstrate well how the different food components are presented in our day-to-day different varieties of foods. That is, your mother is prepared at your home. Already previous sessions, already we have discussed about the classification of different food contents presented in the food items. Any variety that we can opt in that it can be segregated into different components. What are they? Once again we recollect it: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, vitamins and water. Apart from that, as a part of that, today we are going to find how to test in our food, what we are going to take in our food, carbohydrates which are presented. How can we identify? By using a simple lab activity. Now I welcome you. Let us introduce the requirement of the apparatus. So first of all, I would like to tell all of you, whatever the project that you can perform, first of all, arrange the things properly before going to do the activity. So let us come directly how to do this activity in the laboratory and what are the requirements. Let us see, all of you observe here, testing of carbohydrates by lab activity. So what we require? Apparatus. What are the required apparatus? We require a test tube holder to hold, iodine solution for testing, and for taking purpose dropper. And materials required, that is optional for you, whichever available in and around you, whichever easily available, like your daily preparation of your food or any vegetable or anything we can select and we can easily test it. Today, apart from that, I would like to introduce how to test fats also. So for fats, what we require? One, oil paper preparation. From that, we can try to understand to present the food component of fats. Now, let us start the lab activity. First of all, for that, we have to take in one beaker. In that beaker, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of rice flour or atta, anything which is available, and mix it properly by slowly adding water to prepare the starch solution. Already you know very well, previous sessions we discussed about it. In starch solution, it is a rich content of carbohydrates which are presented. So uniformly mix it properly by using with the help of this sterile like structure as a spatula, and keep it aside. Now take one test tube. Take one test tube. You select any one of the test tube which is going to be appear transparent and neatly. Let us see. And take the help of dropper. Take a few ml of solution which is prepared just now, the starch solution. Take a little drop solution and one by one drop wise put into the test tube. Another again take a starch solution and slowly introduce into the test tube. In this way, how much you want you can take it to the test tube. For doing this, this is a test tube holder. With the help of that, we can firmly, tightly hold it. That is why it is called test tube holder. Now let us take the dropper. With the help of this dropper, 1 or 2 drops of iodine solution you have to take. This is the iodine solution. 1 or 2 drops, a few ml of iodine solution I have taken. Observe children, what is the color appearance? See the color appearance, brown in color. Approximately, transparently we can see brownish in color. Now slowly shake well the test tube. Why? Because under this precipitate is formed. The precipitate may not be uniformly mixed into the water freely. That's why we can shake well before doing this experiment. Or with the help of one glass rod, we can uniformly mix properly. This is a very important precaution before going to this do this experiment. Now 1 or 2 drops of iodine solution by using dropper I have introduced inside the test tube. Find out, my dear children, what is the color appearance. See, slowly it turns dark bluish in color. See, when we are shake well, it can be uniformly mixed well and turns into bluish in color or appearance in the form of black color. This indicated it has a rich content of carbohydrate. Previously, in the previous sessions, we explained about how it is going to find out from the food, different food like idli, dosa or any rice we are explaining in the classroom. Now we are going to do the same activity by using the laboratory experiment. So all of you observe it. What is the color? Finally, what you observe? Dark bluish in color. This indicated the starch content. Starch, how you collect it? Either a rice flour freely available or any atta which is going to make into the form of chapati or puri or anything, that we can take it and prepare the solution, and slowly we can introduce it to the test tube, and by the help of iodine solution, drop wise, 1 or 2 drop wise, we are going to add it. It turns to change its color from white color into dark bluish in color. This indicated very clearly the food material or the material that we are selected containing the carbohydrates. I think most of the children are clarified. And second part, apart from that, how do you test the fats content presented in the food? So for that, I wanted to present you a small simple demonstration. Very easily we can do it with a funny way. Let us see. For that, we require a white paper. White paper we require. In that I am writing the fats. Fats I am writing here. These letters, after writing, I am taking a groundnut seed. I am taking a groundnut seed, crush it, and backside of the written paper I have kept on the table, and I applied and slowly rub it fastly, gently on backside of that. Well, let us see, identify very clearly how it appears. Let us see. See, slowly after rubbing, several rubbings, we can identify a transparent appearance. See, letters are slowly appear. Letters are slowly appear. See, that means the transparent appearance will indicate the food material which is selected, the groundnut containing fats. Very clear. So for that, another simple activity also let us try to present. For that we require a white paper, apply oil. See, I am taking oil and dropwise are kept on the paper. Dropwise are kept on the paper. See, backside you see. When you put it backside, we can appearance a shadow. See children, my finger can be appeared. So for practical demonstration purpose, I am explain you like this. Already I prepared a oil paper for you. See, let us try to see the transparency. Simple, my pen I have taken and kept it back side of the paper. Again is the light rays. You can see my pen partially. That means it is nothing but translucent appearance. That means paper is not a transparent. When you apply oil, it is appearance transparency. That means it is a partially light rays are allowed. So translucent means already in previous class, 6th class already know very well. The light rays which are allowing partially through the material, then that material is said to be translucent material or translucent substance. Any substance which allows light rays partially is said to be translucent substance. So the oil paper appearance is translucent. That means partially appearance. In this way, we can recognize it has the oil will consisting fats. Similarly, we can take any type of materials and with the help of that we can classify the food components like carbohydrates by using the laboratory activity or as well as oil paper, the fats. So by using these two, I hope all are enjoying my video and understand by taking any food varieties which we can get it, the fats identification and carbohydrates identification. Understand children? Well done. Not only that, you can try such as even biscuits that you provided, like good day biscuits or any chips packets, let us say chips, it can take it, potato chips let us take. Even by taking a vada that you prepared by your mother, that also rub it, try to rub it on the surface of the paper and see the transparency that we can indicate it contains fats. So my dear children, you, I think so, all are very interesting, observe and understand well the carbohydrates and fats presented in the materials which were prepared by your mother and what we are going to take in daily. So that is why you must observe which material is having carbohydrates, which material, which food item is having fats, which is containing proteins by using the simple activity. So we require all these things for getting balanced diet. We require to build our body and we have to do our activities or we can live happily and energetic way. We require carbohydrates and fats. That is why we simply need to try to explain how to recognize, how to going to observe the fats and carbohydrates presented in the food materials or food items. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I am signing you, your RMR sir. Till keep on watching my videos. I will try to explain you in an easy way, in a playful method, in a easy understanding. Okay, thank you my dear children. Bye.